Hi, welcome to my channel. So in this video I'm going to walk you through a demo of my portfolio project as a student of Holberton School. This portfolio project is designed after our 9 months of foundation course to review everything we have done about programming until we go to our specialization area. And for my portfolio project, I designed a website called Bunnos. The website is an online marketplace for selling and buying of rabbit exclusively. All what this website is for is to buy and sell rabbits, either a breeding rabbit or a meat rabbit. That the meat rabbit might even be live or processed. So starting by this is the home page. It served these images, all these images dynamically from the database, and at the bottom, at the footer here, I only have the about us, the support, and the media links. So starting by, I just want to implement, I want also to talk about 3 features, the key features that I implemented on this project. So the first one as it is a guest, just like I am now, that I have not yet signed up. I can come to the website and locate an ad or picture or something that I want to buy, and I can contact the seller directly and we can link up and get the product from him. So let's say as I come to the website now, my eye catches this spotted rabbit. I love them, and then I clicked on them. Set this logo, so it brings out the ad. I can see the price right here. I can see the price. I can see the name of the seller that posted this ad, the images. Then I can read the description of it. This is the title, this is the date that it was created, the state of the seller, and it said, okay, the description said, okay, it's a winner rabbit at 7 weeks old and the breed is spotted. So this is the phone number and this is the ad ID. I'll come back to this ad ID later. So as it is, if I choose to, like, okay, I'm in love with this, I can just contact the seller directly, call him, then we can meet up and do the transaction. So the second one is the implementation of signing in and signing up. And why this is done is that for you to be able to post an ad on this website, you have to first of all sign up. Why that is, we have to collect some of your basic information to post on the server on this website, because I didn't know this kind of seller, like this American Chinchilla, this Olat Mubarak, did not sign up. We'll be able to get his phone number and some other details like the state and everything. So let me try and show you how that works. So let's say I'm a fresh guest and I want to actually sell some rabbits here. Then I come to sign up. I input my email. Let's say my email is Olatunde Mubarak elx.com. Olatunde Mubarak here, and the password and my name, first name, I said let me write Akambi. My last name, let me write Mubarak. And my phone number, let me put 01234567889 and try to register. Yeah, it says registration successful. You can log in now. So when I try and log in, notice that you don't see any icon here at all. There is a reason for that. So as a guest, you won't be able to access some pages until you sign up and sign in. So let me sign in now and let me check I said Olatunde Mubarak at alx.com, and then the password, then sign in. Said the password does not match. But I made a mistake. Let me see. I'll try and check the database for the email. Maybe I made a mistake. And for this project, I'm using a SQLite database, Olatunde Mubarak at alx.com. okay, well, that's again bad. Maybe I made a mistake with the password. So this has been implemented also. This email address password are not matched for you to be able to sign in. If the password or the username that the user created while signing up does not match what has been stored in the database, it's going to return this flash message. This, what you are seeing here, is a flash message. And let me try again. Oh, sorry. So I got the password now. It says, it brings out a flash message and says, welcome, you are logged in as Akonbimba. That is my last name and the first name that I inputted while signing up. So as it is, when I'm logged in now, I have the ability to log out back. I can go to sell. I can sell either meat, breeding rabbit or meat rabbit. Then I have this escrow, this advert, the advert I've posted, and this is the profile. There are some bunch of things in the profile. So let me start by the first one, which is means let's say I want to sell some breeding rabbits. Let's try and download the picture first. Let me say rabbit. I want to download a picture that has not been in the database already. So let me go to images and just download one random picture. Let's download this. I like this. Let's save as. Big rabbit. Let me put 11. And let me also download one for the meat rabbit so you can see, because the ads on the page are downloaded in real time dynamically from the database, and they are served as the first thing. They are the newest ads. That's all what you see. It's kind of small. Download this. Let me see this. Okay, this is a little bit bigger. So save image as rabbit meat. So 11 and 13. So going back to the website page here, so let me try and pick breeding rabbit. Then title, let's say I have an American chinchilla rabbit. So the breed, of course, American chinchilla. The color, gray. The age, 20 weeks. Of course, it's 20 weeks, that means it is mature. Price, let me put 15,000. The weight, let's say it's 3.5. The location, let me put Lagos State. So the description here, you can say everything you want about the description. So let me just copy this to just save time. And here you have to choose an image so that your potential buyer is going to see. So going back to let me navigate to where it is, and I have pick rabbit 11. Then post ad. This navigates me back to home, and voila, here you see it. So when you click on the ad, you see the price, the name of the seller, which is Akonbimba, then the description and the phone number I inputted and the hide ID. So that is about the signing up and posting an ad. Then you can also do the same with the milk rabbit. It's the same thing, although the fields are different. In here we asked about if it is live or processed, the quantity of the meat you want to sell, the weight, the price, the location, and the title also. So moving back, that's the sign up and the sign in is the second implementation I did on this website. And going to the third one is the use of escrow services. And before we go there, you can come to your profile. You see that you have just one advert here and it's been listed there. So if you list under advert on breeding rabbit, it's still going to come under here, and if you list a meat rabbit ad, it's going to come under here. So you can, all these feedback, client and performance are also there for you. And if you come to my advert, it's going to display the same thing, but display this one first. So moving on to the third implementation. Before that, you can also a potential buyer that maybe the sign in or sign out can come to the search menu here and type a keyword relating to what he or she is searching for. So let's say I type in rabbit and I search. So it's going to bring the list of all the ads that include rabbit. So when I click on them, I see, oh, my ad catches this 120 kg meat rabbit. That wasn't in the picture on the home page. So when I click on it, it takes me to the page and I see this bunch of rabbits that I feel like I want to buy. So I can just contact this seller. The name of the seller is Mobi, and which leads me to the third feature, which is the escrow service. Here in Nigeria or every part of the world, we'll have to be very careful with our money. So if you feel like you don't want to contact the seller directly, you want the escrow service of this website to handle it for you, all you have to do is just copy this ad. You copy this ad, Ctrl C, then you contact the seller and tell him or her that you are interested in purchasing this 120 kg live rabbit ad. You guys are going to talk, then agree on a price. Then you as a buyer, you come to the escrow service, and for you to be able to use this escrow service, you must be as a registered user on the website. So you come to escrow, then you click I am the buyer. When you click I am the buyer, the ad ID, you paste that, then the price you've agreed with the seller, if it's still 240,000, you put it there. Then the transaction reference of the payment you transfer to the escrow. For the purpose of this demo, I'm not going to include any account number on this page, but I didn't mean this is going to be live and everything. There's going to be an account number here. So a buyer transfers the money into the account and then updates us with the transaction reference. So let's say the transaction reference is GH blah 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 and 1 2 3. Of course, it's always longer than this. Then I click on submit. So it's going to say, okay, data received successfully. That's a flash message. Then later on, I'm going to do the part of the seller too, but for the buyer, later on, maybe after you've received your goods and services successfully and completed without any issues, you come back to the buyer. Then you see an order right here saying that you should confirm the order. I didn't know you have, let's say, 2-3 more orders. It's going to be listed on this page one after the other for you to be able to confirm each order differently. So for the order of the 240,000, this is the ID that you inputted. Then when you click confirm ID, it says funds sent to the seller successfully. You will notice that when you get here, it said once order is received, kindly return to this page to confirm order. And I said note, only confirm when order is received. Why this is because once you click confirmed order, there is no going back. You have to give the seller the fund and everything. So let me implement this. Let's say let me go back. Let's say the seller let's say the seller is the Mobi. I don't want to like sign out now, and I click on the seller. So the ad ID on the seller page, the seller is going to actually input the ad ID for me to be able to see. Then the price I agree to receive from the buyer. Then it's going to include a video of delivery, maybe at the car park or with the delivery agent, or just going to show a video like, okay, these goods has been transferred, and that's going to be stored in the database. So when the ad ID of the seller and the ad ID of the buyer matches together in the database, and the price matches together in the database, then the fund is going to be released after the background check has been done. So it's not just showing the fund has been released. Of course, the admin of the website is going to go through it and check, and we are still working on that to improve that dynamically and automate that process. So me checking this video after it has been let's say there's a video here that I want to put in. Let's say the video is versus a server, then I click on submit. Okay, that has been also implemented so that we are going to input the details as you should, and there are some fields here that they don't accept strings, they only accept number, they don't accept letters such as a price, such as age, such as weight. I implemented those to be numbers only. So let's say the price agreed is still 240,000, just like this. If you try and input string here, I'm pressing the letters as you can hear. You try and input string here, it won't work. It only receive number because price should be in numbers. So when the price 240,000, it accepts that the file has been there, and then I click on submit. So this gets stored in the database as a base 64 string. And if you notice, from the home page here, all these images are like they are stored as base to when the seller picks an image to be stored in the database. Of course, you can't store a big binary large object in the database. It's going to crash your database. So first of all, I decoded it back to decode the large binary to base 64 string, then encode and then decode it back as an original file of this image. So this image has been resized and everything, but when you click on it, it's still going to show a big image of the picture. So for now, for the MVP of this project, this is the 3 features I want to highlight, and more features are still to come. But the purpose of this portfolio project, this is what I have to show, and thank you very much for listening. Bless you.